I can't even get it, man. So someone commented on my stream, says, for an ugly single mom with way too much ego who can barely speak English, getting married is actually lucky. Go do that. We know you are older than you say. What the fuck does that mean? Bitch, it's an error. Like, you know what? This is so stupid, man. I know my English not that bad to understand this shit. What does that mean? He keeps hearing you call your dog son. This is very insulting message. The person is saying they think the streamer is unattractive, ugly. They claim the person is a single mother. They say the person has a big ego. They criticize the person's English ability. They say getting married is lucky for them. Joder. So that's mean I'm that hot. See? You see why I want to get married? Because I want to be a fucking hot young mom, bitch. You're right. You know? They accuse the person of being older than they claim. I wish, bitch, but I'm fucking Asian. What do you expect? Aging so fast like you? Fuck no. These are personal attacks and there is no way to tell from screenshot whether any of these claims are true. Jesus Christ. Whoa. I'm the single mother? I'm a single mother with a big titties. I'm a single mother with a young age Asian bitch. That is so unfortunate and you have to follow me. You know, I have to remove you because like you don't have to follow me, dear. That is so sad. Oh yeah, thanks. That is so sad, bro. But thanks though, assuming that I'm a single mom. Is it because my boobs? Ha! Bitch. That ass, bitch. So what would make you happy? Not working. Be honest with you, I don't want to work at all. But not like this. If I have business, like I said, I'm gonna hire someone to run my business. So all I do is collecting my money, my profit. That's it. And yeah, stay at home being a mother. I don't really want to have a social media, to be honest with you. You know, I don't need that. You know, I like being alone time. You know, most of the time I'll go somewhere alone. Not because I don't want to have friends. I just prefer alone. It's better, you know. People are so stupid sometimes, man. And it's so embarrassing. Barely know English. I even speak more than English. How is that happen? How does that make sense? Do the math. You know? I take it as compliment though. That is so fun. So like walk the beach in private? Sure, yeah. See, this kind of question I like. It's more. What's up? Oh yeah. So you're gonna invite your friends? Justin? Oh. Only guys? Can they bring the girls? Yeah. Bring the girls that you like too. It's okay. Hmm? I'm just streaming, but people piss me off as always. But it's pretty good, KPP, I guess. I want to go to the restaurant, the new restaurant, to get my food. Because I still have to use the voucher, so. Mm-hmm. Why the fuck they name it Jewish, man? But it's okay. I love it. I have to use the voucher anyway. 10%. But you know, I don't really order always expensive one because it's boring. I switch it up. So yeah. Why? Go to sleep. I'm trying to wake up tomorrow and I still have to buy some. I think I have to buy a dress for the yacht, you know? Can you check the balance? I didn't know. I spent a little bit a lot today. Please. No. No. Yeah, last night. Oh shit. Really? Can you please make sure? Okay. You okay? Who did who did fuck you? Oh shit. Wait, what happened with them? They just like cancel? Shh. Yes, I'm happy, but sometimes these people, you know, like, of course I'm grateful, okay, but yeah, it's just shit still, you know. Sometimes I do enjoy it, sometimes I don't really, to be honest with you. I keep avoiding tasks, I keep avoiding, you know what I mean, like, cause deep down in me, I just fuck working, man. I swear to God, like, fuck working. First of all, yes, if I can be just like relaxed, I could, you know, and then yeah, I don't have social media. Just being a mom of my dog, of my kid. That's it, you know. Like I'm done with working world, you know. I get a lot of experience, bakery, sales, what else, modeling. So I'm good, you know. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to retire. Okay. Yeah. I just have to sell my asset. You know, I have assets. Huh? I have some asset that I can sell so I can retire. Yeah. So okay, I send it. Yeah, please let me know who's going, cause you know that's how I can make my money. Let me know and make sure they. Oh. I know. I mean, like just took screenshot when they say, okay, yeah, I'll go, I go. You know. Okay, good. Bye. Kasian dia anjir. Kau tuh bersekolah, kau tuh ada kerjaan gitu ya gitu kan. Jadi dia tuh serinian kan orang kayak diskusi gitu, bawa nego, oke oke deal lagi kita ngebisnis, terus habis itu udah jadi gitu kan kayak di ghosting. Dia bilang capek anjing seminggu ngobrol sama orang nih bla bla bla. Kok enak kayak kok jadi mending anjing kau bilang kayak
Nampak enaknya
Aku bilang, yeah, you think it's nice? I know I have a job, but like I don't like my job. Aku bilang gitu. Like it's, oh fuck man, I am grateful, but like fuck, do I want to keep doing this? No. But I'm not. I don't live in America, man. If I go to America, I'll make sure it's for work. But yeah, kasihan dia mana aku jadi office dia tuh kan dia gak bayar lagi kan perbaruin, tapi tuh dia bayar untuk 2 bulan sementara kontrak sama yang orang tuh bilang harus bayar untuk sekali 3 bulan dia udah duit ya, anjir loh sedih anjay.
Dia harus bayar 3.
Iya.
Berarti udah usah bayar dulu.
Ya harus untuk visa dia. Serba salah loh posisi dia tuh. Aku kasihan kadang cuma kayak man, I feel bad but sometimes I just want, you know, like only if you don't hurt me, man, I will help you. But remembering all these fucking hoes is like fuck, I wanna just fucking don't wanna help. I just live in space. That's cool. That's cool. You live in space. What kind of Dak moodnya dia tadi kayak dak kata mood. Mau tiramisu dak?
Tiramisu.
Sharing is caring. I'm gonna retire soon. Say goodbye. Bye. Bye bye. I'm gonna go by the way. It's just not even 3 hours. It's just crazy, you know. I was hoping to hit like 4 hour stream. But the reality, I'm still like, it's just like 2 hours 30 minutes. Like what? I feel like it's already 5 hours. Me dancing and whatever.
Excuse me? I think you dropped something over there.
What?
My jaw. I'm Julian, by the way.
Invite girls too. But yeah. Wish me luck for tomorrow, because I'm hosting an event. And that's how I make money too. That's my side hustle, by the way. I'm not a promoter. I'm very picky again. Some motherfuckers just like, oh, let me know if you want to be a promoter. You know, like I got some club too. Like, bitch, if your club playing techno, like whatever, techno, afro, beats, I don't listen to that shit, okay? I'm so sorry. And I'm pretty much already bonding with the owner of the place. We already pretty much like family. That's why like I don't mind. I'm seeing it like helping instead of like making money, because to be honest it's not that much, but I'm happy doing it anyway. Because you know, like I like everything, because I think because he's Spanish. Not he, but because the place is Spanish, because he's Mexican. Yeah. That's it. Kalau makan.
Udah tadi.
Hot girls don't struggle. You're right. If you were actually a hot girl with acid in 2020, you wouldn't be sitting in a cheap hotel room with a lady with a China. You really think I'm in China? First of all, I live in 3 different places. I don't actually live here full time. I come here for stream. Sometimes nighttime I sleep in my other place. And then on Monday I move again and I'm gonna stream from my another place. Who says I'm struggling? I just complaining I don't like my job. Not about the fucking money. You miss the fucking point. Hot girls don't struggle. In what way? Can you be more specific? What way struggling? Getting a man? Getting a dick? Getting money? Getting a whatever the fuck I want? Or getting a place? Or what? Struggle in what way? Be more specific. Because I can't break it down to you if I'm struggle or not. Duro. Tanya anak kawan aku gantengin anjir.
Anjay.
Tengok